Greetings, my name is Ahmad Farhan Anas. I'm a student of English Literature Department, Faculty of Cultural Science, Universitas Gadjah Mada. Student number 21/481684/SA/21208. This video is made as prerequisite for thesis defense of my undergraduate thesis with the title of Utopianism in Oliver Bowden's Assassin's Creed Unity, a Marxist reading. This research is based on my interest in the representation of utopian ideas within popular literature. The novel used in this research is titled Assassin's Creed Unity, written by Oliver Bowden and published by Ace Publishing in 2014. It is set during the years leading up to the French Revolution. This thesis goal is to explore how utopian ideals are presented in the narrative and how these ideals are structured and realized. In order to find that, I used Marxist criticism, particularly the concept of utopian socialism, as critiqued by Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels of the great utopian thinkers, which both of them wrote that the utopian ideals is tend to be divisive, abstract, and overly idealistic. The method used to interpret the data is qualitative descriptive textual analysis, which focusing on key passages from the narrative elements of the novel. My findings show that Assassin's Creed Unity presents two opposing visions of ideal society. One from the assassins who fight for freedom and free will, and from the Templars who strive for order through control. However, the narrative highlights the futility and perpetual internal contradiction of both visions. Rather being productive, both factions are trapped in endless ideological conflict, which is detached from the actual needs of the people. Moreover, it put aside attention to class struggle and role of the working class, which is central in Marxist thought. In conclusion, this thesis proves that the novel Assassin's Creed Unity, instead of realizing the ideals of utopian society itself, is fallen into the trap of utopianism. Well, that concludes my short presentation. I would like to thank my supervisor and everyone who supported me during this research process. I hope that this thesis can offer a small contribution to the study of literature, popular culture, and political theory in fiction. Thank you so much for watching.